Hey, I'm Sarah, and I was just sent this microscope for kids. This is a really cute little design. You've got a little bunny on here, and it's all encased in this nice silicone because it is for kids. It does have these nice lights on the back side to be able to illuminate and see better. And on the back side, you have a separate little magnifying glass that you can look through with that as well. Then whenever your little explorer is wanting to go out and see things, you have a variety of different settings that you can use camera, you can use video. You actually can store pictures. If you get a little card, you can get a little card right there, and then your settings. So if you're just wanting to take a picture, they do include 12 of these little slides that you can then hold it over the little image. And once you get it on there, you then can see so much detail and then take a picture and have that for next time. And then, you know, an onion epidermis is what that looks like up close. So this is really neat that they give you a lot of different things to be able to use on here. And then when you put it on over top of an item, you can then zoom in and see everything that's on there. And I mean, look at that little ant. That is so cool that you can see all of those details up close, capture all your images, and see everything that you want to see. So when you're out and about, you have the nice tool to be able to run around and play and learn.